10 pieces. This is the high street chicken, alright guys. Look at that. French fry pieces. Wow. 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 Look at the amount of people. About 500 people are waiting for chicken. Guys, high street.
Worth it, right, ma'am?